Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. And they had well embarked on the way to emancipation. They always saw the Buddha clearly illumined, and by the power of supreme understanding entered into the ocean of the qualities of Buddhahood. They found the doors of liberation of all Buddhas, and roamed freely in spiritual powers. That is to say, ocean of subtle flames, a king of a heaven of great freedom, found the door of liberation through the tranquility and practical power of the realm of space and the cosmos. The celestial king, light of the name of freedom, gained the door of liberation through freely observing all things. The celestial king, eye of pure virtues, found the door of liberation of effortless action, knowing that all things are not born, do not perish, and do not come or go. The celestial king, enjoyable great intelligence, found the door of liberation through the ocean of wisdom, directly perceiving the real character of all things. The celestial king, freedom of immutable light, found the door of liberation through the great practical concentration of bestowing boundless peace and happiness on living beings. The celestial king, eye of sublime adornments, found the door of liberation through causing observation of the truth of nullity and annihilating all ignorance and fear. The celestial king, light of skillful meditation, found the door of liberation through entering infinite realms without producing any activity of thought about existence. The celestial king, delightful great knowledge, found the door of liberation by going everywhere in the 10 directions to preach the truth, yet without moving and without relying on anything. The celestial king, universal sound array banner, found the gate of liberation by entry into the Buddha's realm of tranquility, and everywhere manifesting great light. The celestial king, light of fame of extreme exertion, found the gate of liberation by abiding in his own enlightenment, yet having an infinitely broad perspective. At that time, the celestial king, ocean of subtle flames, imbued with the spiritual power of the Buddha, surveyed the whole host of celestial beings of the heavens of great freedom, and said in verse, "The Buddha body extends throughout all the great assemblies. It fills the cosmos without end. Quiescent, without essence, it cannot be grasped. It appears just to save all beings."